So this is what you get. You get the manuals, the multi-surface floor cleaner, the Bissell vacuum itself. There's a couple of parts here that I did not take off. The cleaning tray and this handy little cleaning brush holder. So far with the build quality, I think it's very good. Everything has an audible click. And what that means to me is that things snap in place. When you have poor build qualities, you often have situations where things just rest in place. I like that snap, that audible snap. It looks pretty hardy. It's pretty heavy at 4.5 kilograms Canadian, or 10 pounds US. That's important for this machine, to be a little bit heavier than average. You want it to be able to hold to the floor, to be able to pull things up. If you have something very lightweight, then it's not going to be able to do those things. It has a 25-foot cord. Many people talk about whether a 25-foot cord is long enough. Longer cords tend to get tangled up in things as you're moving around the house and so on. It's a lot easier to unplug something and plug it into another receptacle. I'll tell you after my review whether a 25-foot cord is good enough. With a 4 horsepower motor, 14 gauge extension cord of any type, average house extension cord, should work if you want to extend that in any way. I wouldn't advise it. I think that you'll probably save more time just by unplugging it, plugging it into another socket, and moving on. So far with the unboxing and specifications, I think we got a very reliable machine. Everything seems to be well in place. Up at the top here you have 2 buttons that can move you from hardwood to carpet. From my understanding, the carpet function will just give you more water. On hardwood or tile, you don't necessarily need a lot of water, but carpets you probably do, because you've got to get them a little wet to be able to refresh them. So that would be it for the unboxing.